Hi dear financial backers in Crypto Vault. HEDERA HashGraph has been around for a while. Initially launched in 2017, it is the only authorized ledger in the Hashgraph technology, which is seen as a viable alternative to blockchain. It has a native currency HBAR, which is the asset we will discuss its projected future prices here. Are you familiar with HEDERA HashGraph? Do you wish to invest in HBAR? You need to get an understanding of how it can turn out in the future. Here, we will fully discuss HEDERA HashGraph price prediction and forecasts from 2022 to 2030. What is HEDERA HashGraph, HBAR? It is important to start this section by explaining the different important terms we will use to discuss HEDERA HashGraph, HBAR, price predictions for 2022 to 2030. Firstly, Hashgraph is a distributed ledger, authored by Lehman Baird and initially released in July 2017. It is considered an alternative to blockchain technology, though it is still in its early days. Currently, the technology is patented. HEDERA HashGraph is a ledger that uses Hashgraph technology. Actually, it is the only authorized ledger using the technology as of today. At this point, we can introduce the asset we are going to focus on, HBAR. It is the native currency of the HEDERA HashGraph system. Though it doesn't use the now popular blockchain technology, HBAR is a cryptocurrency by all standards. It is a fully recognized digital currency that is available on a number of top cryptocurrency platforms. Going forward in this video, we will use HBAR HEDERA HashGraph and HEDERA HashGraph HBAR interchangeably. Back to HEDERA HashGraph. What is it used for, and how reliable is it? HEDERA HashGraph allows users, including businesses and individuals, to create decentralized applications, dApps. It was created to serve as a faster and more secure alternative to existing blockchain networks. Though it has its limitations, HEDERA HashGraph has been hailed as a decent platform by knowledgeable industry insiders. Its major uniqueness comes from the fact that it uses the Hashgraph data structure and consensus algorithm to achieve faster transactions while being superbly secure. Why should you consider investing in HEDERA HashGraph, HBAR? HEDERA HashGraph, HBAR, is a relatively new cryptocurrency that is based on a new technology that is yet to be fully proven in the cryptocurrency space. Why should you consider investing in it? Well, HEDERA HashGraph has recorded a handful of notable achievements that can get any experienced investor interested. It is currently a leader in the South Korean banking sector. Shinhan Bank recently announced that it has developed a stablecoin on the HEDERA network. There are several other achievements we can't mention here. Judging from what it has done so far and its future plans, we can say that HEDERA is prepared to achieve more in the cryptocurrency industry. It has notable names in its governing council, including DBS Bank and the London School of Economics. HEDERA plans to upgrade the developers portal, enable ecosystem integrations with wallets, exchanges, and custodians, as well as optimize core data structures for high throughput and low latency transactions. The team also plans to continue developing the HEDERA smart contract service performance, leveraging Hyperledger BESU EVM. In terms of performance, the HEDERA HashGraph HBAR has impressed many. Though it is relatively new and uses new patented technology, the cryptocurrency has climbed the ranks quickly. It is among the 50 biggest digital currencies by market capitalization. HEDERA HashGraph HBAR, current price and standing. At the time of writing this piece, HEDERA HashGraph HBAR was trading for $0.2245 per token, with a 24-hour trading volume of $68,290,334. In the 24-hour prior, it recorded a low price of $0.2236 and reached a high price of $0.2379. HBAR's market capitalization is $4,062,574,205, making it the number 34 ranked cryptocurrency in the world by market capitalization. From the time it was listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges, HBAR's all-time low price of $0.01001 was recorded on 2 January 2020. The coin reached an all-time high price of $0.5701 on 16 September 2021. According to data from CoinMarketCap, HEDERA HASPHGRAPH HBAR return on investment was $85.72 at the time of writing. HEDERA HASPHGRAPH HBAR price predictions. Are you considering investing in HBAR for the long term? Getting familiar with the network and its native currency is just the first step. The next important thing is to consider HEDERA HASPHGRAPH HBAR price predictions sometimes before deciding whether it is the right coin for you. Based on long-term forecasts, the price of HEDERA HASPHGRAPH HBAR will increase to 50 cents by the end of 2022, then 70 cents in 2023. HBAR coin will continue to rise to $1 in 2025, $1.50 in 2027, and $2 in 2030. Let's move on to HBAR price predictions year by year to determine whether now is still a good time to buy this trending crypto asset. HEDERA HASPHGRAPH HBAR price prediction for 2022. We are just a couple of months into 2022, and it will be great to get an insight into how well HBAR can perform this year. Considering that the coin has dropped from an all-time high of $0.5701 to its current price of $0.2245, about a 60% drop in less than 6 months, we can tell that it is a volatile asset. The price can swing either way in the coming months, so you need to time your move properly. Back to our major goal. What will be the price of HEDERA HASPHGRAPH HBAR in 2022? Well, we expect that the coin will remain within the $0.2–$0.4 region in the coming months. If the network can grow at the rate we expect and the crypto market remains favorable,